Good day everyone, this is Angela Cruz and this video is all about Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text Editor. Steps on how to download, install, and use Visual Studio Code. Step 1. Search on the Google. Type Visual Studio Code and then makikita natin dito yung download. Click natin siya. After that, makikita natin tong mga option na Windows, Dev, or PM, and then Mac. So for me, my preferred OS is Windows. And it is starting to download. Next, after downloading, search lang natin sa Windows yung Visual Studio Code para makita natin siya at ma-i-install. Wait natin siya mag-loading. And then next, Step 2, choose what OS do you prefer. Yan, nakita naman natin kayo na. And then, to install Visual Studio Code, open it for your download files and then click I accept the agreement and then next. Step 4, click next and then install. Wait for it to install, then click finish. For step 6, click now the file and then new file. Yan, para makapag-open tayo at makapag-code. This is my sample code at titingnan natin kung magra-run siya without error. Ayan, then run natin siya without debugging. Wait lang natin siya mag-loading. And makikita natin siya na okay. Pag walang error yung code natin, yan. Nag-run naman siya ng maayos. And then next, type your file name, yan, then click enter where your folder then open. Yan, para makapag-open. Then click create file, then you can now create your code here. Yan tayo nag-code kanina. Yan, tinry natin yung code. The next is step on how to download, install, and use Sublime Text. Step 1, search on Google the Sublime Text. Mag-search ulit natin sa Google. Yan, Sublime Text Editor. Sublime Text. And then yan. Wait lang natin siya. Yan. Makikita ulit natin yung download. Sublime Text. And then, yan. May option na naman siya kung anong OS yung gagamitin natin. So, for me, I prefer Windows. Click it to start download. Yan. Step 2, choose what OS. Yan. Then, step 3, to install Sublime Text. Open to the download files. Click next. Install, and then next again, and wait for it to install. And then finish. So, search ulit natin sa Windows natin yung Sublime Text 3. Yan, magta-try ulit tayo ng code kung magra-run siya nang walang error. Ayan, open tayo ng folder. Wait lang natin. And then, yan, run natin siya. Sa Google tayo magra-run. Open with Google Chrome. And that's it. Nag-run siya. So, it means wala siyang error. So, thank you guys for watching.